I'm doing forever. 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 I'm doing forever.
Yo, remember back on the bully when cats used to harmonize like, yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the dean. This is not the most the king, yo. It's about a thing, feel real good, wave your hands in the air and lick 2 shots in the atmosphere. It's been 3 weeks since you were looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian.
And we have progress on the closet. So basically this unit is done. This is hanging for pants. Ooh, excited. This beautiful glass drawer. And then the pole, there's another little nook, and that is deep. Like whatever goes in that nook is probably never coming out because it's almost impossible to get in that nook. Like, it's solely for aesthetics. But yeah, it's the top. And I still have space at the bottom for shoes. Excited. And now we have to do this one. Put them together and mount it to the wall. Update, we essentially finished the build based on what I had. So here I was going to do another hanging rod. But I decided that since we knocked out the wall on the other side and I have open closet space, I am just going to do drawers going all the way down here so that I'll have like a built-in dresser, because over here there was a wall right here in the middle and it's now gone. So I have all of this as hanging space. So I definitely want to almost like do 2 wardrobes, like fall, winter, spring, summer. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but these things are deep. Like, they go all the way back. So I'm a little on the fence about what's gonna go in these slots. I was able to secure the drawers that are supposed to go right here where all of this other like Shim Sham is. I just ended up getting the plain ones, which is fine. I might go in and like add black knobs. We'll see how it turns out, but I'm totally fine with the plain ones. I also got 2 pull-out shoe shelves, one of the really large ones and one of the smaller ones for both this compartment and the dress compartment. And then I got one of the small like pull-out racks where you can do like belts or like inspiration outfits. So I think I'm gonna put it right here because I have a lot of room in this section. I got some curtains and I got some picture frames, and then I got these frames so that I could put my Sotriel prints in them. This is gonna go in a totally different area, but they look so good in these gold frames, so definitely a vibe. I'll leave her Instagram link below. Hands down favorite artist at the moment. I did also purchase this shelf right here, and then I'm gonna put a pull-out shoe shelf underneath it. And after I put the shoe shelf underneath it, I'll see how much space I have for that shelf, because I might use that shelf for shorts, because right now I don't have anywhere to put my shorts. And then I was going to do another shoe shelf right here instead of like stacking those heels, because I only have 2 rows of heels, and with the shoe shelf it should allow me to get 4, like not 4, but you'll see what I'm talking about. And then 4 drawers are going to be right here. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have some more space at the bottom. So that might either be for shorts or I might do more shoes, kind of like what you see now. So we will see. Okay, dilemma. So I ended up installing this shoe shelf, which looks absolutely amazing. But if you can see, it basically hits where my pants fall. So what I'm thinking is that because I have this gap here, can y'all see this? I could possibly move this up 1. I think 1, and that will give me maybe about another inch or so of space. So I might just do like flats or something right here. I don't know. I really have to figure this out because I'm kind of feeling like I didn't maximize the storage like I thought I would in my head, and it's disappointing. Update: major progress has been made. Does it look the same? Y'all know I built these shelves, not shelves, drawers last night, and I was able to fill them. So this one was already done with like all graphic tees and then plain t-shirts, and I took out my tiny tops because it was just too much. This drawer is super full, so let me know, should I downsize on some of my graphic tees? I love graphic tees, or spread them out and just not buy any. I don't know, but this drawer is really full. Then this drawer is legit sweats and joggers, so I have quite a bit of space in here. Sweatshirts, sweatpants mixed in with joggers, more sweatpants. Some of these sweatpants are gonna go too because I like the color of them, like these, and the quality, but I don't like the fit. And like these, I don't like the quality, so some of these might downsize also. Really like all comfy or like workout clothes. Someone's at the door. My stool just for the closet was delivered. So now the only thing that I need to organize unpacking is my bags. I don't have a whole lot of bags. Or do I? So that is as far as I've gotten with my whole closet renovation. Stay tuned for the next part. I am on the hunt for the cutest chairs because I do want to make the middle of this room almost like a lounging area once I take some other pieces out. And I'm also on the hunt for a rug. Let's just stay tuned for part 2 as I make the next set of adjustments. Please check the description bar for all of the furniture pieces that are linkable. I definitely will link them below, along with the Pax wardrobe system. If you guys want to build your own wardrobe, part 2 coming soon. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.